Auto Fanatic CT coming at you with another one. Not competition BMW, it's my grounds over here. Let me flip you around so you can see what's popping.
What do you want, black and white or chocolate? I'm confused.
You know you got the one and only Auto Fanatic CT F80 everyone's looking at. 104 in the world. Got some M2 flavor. Got my boy Dustin's car over here. Some E46, F82s. Got my boy Slow Speed is here. Just met up with him. M5. It's beautiful, man. What a day. Happy Labor Day to all my people out there. Woo, old school Ferrari coming down too. More new M2s. Got a nice little NSX. Got that BMW bike. It's nice. The old school Ferrari. GT350s. We got the Vet. Got some JDM action. M5. This is like frozen. We got his car here. There we go. People are starting to head out. Little by little. M5. We got some oldies over here. This is looking good. Looking good. Got some G20 LCI M340. Long Island bimmers here, by the way. Looks like you did some custom on the wheels, some powder coating, like a gunmetal-ish on the Brooklyn gray. M340. We'll head it out little by little. F82s. Got Porsches. Got some E90, M3, F80. Some sick cars. Sick. Got a G80, looks like skyscraper gray. Looking good. Got that RX-7. That 2002. GT500. Got the Boss 302. Twin turbo. I think this is one that my boy Kevin was telling me about. It's nice. I want to give you guys a little peek about what's going on. Like I said, I got my boy's car right here from Slow Speed. Mike, he's here chilling. He's all over the place. He's probably inside getting some free coffee or something. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna sign off, man. Hope everyone's good. Happy Labor Day weekend. Appreciate each and every one of you. Subscribe.